Hey guys, welcome again to my channel Financial Bee. So today I am here again with a new info, that is SBI Balance Advantage Fund. See the quotation here, markets can fluctuate but your peace of mind shouldn't. And the person here is seems to be too calming, as like the fund name suggests. So going further, this is a moderately high risk fund. This is suitable for the investors who are seeking long term capital appreciation plus dynamic asset allocation between the equity and equity related instrument, including the derivatives and fixed income instrument. Now, what does the investor do? From the history, we have learned that people do not learn from the history. See the line. Because what happens when the equity market rises, investors become very much excited and euphoric. They want to buy more and more. So they think that they will reach the peak. But that is the wrong moment, because investors that time are investing at the wrong time. So they might miss the ride. But when the low down of the market follows, many struggle to see it as a part of longer equity market cycle and rush to sell it. Then they don't wait and they start selling when the market is going down. But at that moment they should wait. So because of these conditions, investors are buying at high and selling at low. But we have to do it in the opposite way. Investors should buy at low and sell at high. What can one do to navigate the markets well? We can allocate our assets. We can diversify our funds. Plus, we can do the portfolio rebalancing between the asset classes in the portfolio. So, there are two options. How can we get the right asset mix? Option 1 is we have to understand the equity market. Then we have to select the track stocks and instrument. Then we have to adjust our asset allocation. Means buying and selling time, buying and selling equity and debt market movements. Then we have to track the taxes payable when selling equity while rebalancing the portfolio. Option 1 seems to be very tedious. Now comes the option 2, that is be relaxed and invest in the SBI Balance Advantage Fund and let the experts do it for you. Here what we do, optimal asset allocation. Allocation is based on various parameters to determine the perfect mix of long equity arbitrage and fixed income. We have a lower volatility because it dynamically manages the debt and equity portion. It also invests in arbitrage fund to manage the equity portion and taxation portion. Plus tax efficiency that I already discussed, it provides a benefit of equity taxation by investing in arbitrage fund. SWP facility is there. That means withdraw a fixed percentage of the cost of investment or a specified amount to get regular cash flow. Presenting SBI Balance Advantage Fund. The investment objective here is to provide the long-term capital appreciation from a dynamic mix of equity and debt investment. But there cannot be any assurance that the investment objective will be realized, obviously. How do we invest here? Here, first of all, asset allocation model is there. There is an equity, arbitrage and debt fund. Based on that, fund managers will differentiate your assets in different portfolios. Second option is quantitative framework. It will determine how we invest in terms of market capital allocation, what will be the investing style, whether it will be a value style, growth style or quality style. That will variate. Sometimes they will be picking the value stocks, sometimes they will be investing in the growth market according to the scenario and the current situation. And sometimes there will be a sector preference. Suppose IT sector will be going high, then they will choose the stocks preferential for the IT sector. Likewise. Third one is stock security selection. Equity, debt and equity it is high conviction ideas of analyst team. Stock pricing picking based on the fund manager's discretion. Debt high credit sovereign portfolio will be picked, and duration management to generate the alpha across the yield curve, so that at least in debt portfolio through debt investment you get at least at par with inflation. Fourth is portfolio construction. It will generate an alpha through equity and aim for stability through debt. In both ways it's a win-win situation. You will be earning interest benefit and taxation benefit of equity, plus your portfolio will be stable through the debt portion. so you can just relax and invest there for a long term. Asset allocation: equity is from 0 to 100, debt securities from 0 to 100, and units issued by rights and invitees from 0 to 100. Now comes the fund facts. Type of scheme is it's an open-ended dynamic asset allocation fund. Fund manager is Mr. Gaurav Mehta and Mr. Dinesh Balachandran for equity portion, Mr. Dinesh Ahuja for debt portion, and Mr. Mohit Jain is a dedicated fund manager for managing overseas investment. See here, you can see they have chosen the 3 fund managers for one fund in order to make it aligned in a proper direction. This is the uniqueness of this Balanced Advantage fund. What is a benchmark index? Is CRISIL Hybrid 50 plus 50 moderate index try. Exit load: it is nil if unit purchased or switched in from another scheme of the fund are redeemed or switched out up to 10% of the units before 1 year. Means you can SWA, systematic withdrawal plan, you can execute only 10% of the amount, that will not be bearing any exit load. 1% will be an exit load before 1 year if more than 10%, and it is nil exit load if greater than 1 year. Application amount is rupees 5,000 and in multiples of the 1 thereafter. Additional purchase you can do of 1,000 and in multiples of rupees 1 thereafter. Who should invest? The person who are looking for the wealth creation for long term. The investors who are looking for a dynamic solution of right mix of debt and equity, plus risk-averse equity investors with a minimum 3 years of investment horizon. So this is all for this fund, sir. So guys, please comment on the comment section whether you are an equity person or a debt person or the balanced one, and who all are going to be a part of this NFO. So thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.